Welcome to learn that how we can change this Ford Mondeo's front headline lamp, and also those inside lamps, those beams in there. There are actually 4 different kind of lamps inside in there, and now I will show to you that how I do that. Okay, first thing is that you need to take this grill away, and this is the grill, and it's easy to open. There are 2 these plastic bolts, and you only rotate this little bit and this part opens, and then there is similar in there, and I go to open also that, and here are those bolts, and then I install these parts in just in here. They are in secure place. Okay, and next step is that we take that grill away, and it happens so that you take your hands in here and little bit lift that in this way, and then you move that little bit in this area, and now this grill goes away, and then you install grill in there, and then is interesting thing. Now this area is open, and then there is this lamp, our target, and just there you can find 2 metallic pins. This is first one, and second one is in here. Here is this pin, and it's nice idea that we only need to pull those pins out, and you take your hands in here and lift it up this way, and then this pin goes up, and then we go to next. Okay, and then we go to second pin, what is just in there, and we take a look that it is in here, and I pull that also out in that way. Okay, and then I insert these pins in their secure place. Okay, and now we have take all of those locking bolts out, and then we can take our hands in here and little bit carefully move and take that light out, and carefully, and now it goes out. And then we have next important thing. There is this main cable, and this main cable is that cable in here, and there is idea that you need to press this small area in here, in down, this area what is in there, those cuttings, and down, and same time you pull that cable in different location. Okay, and let's go to check that how I managed to do that. First I pull that, and same time this is the way. This is a little bit thick, but then I think that I use that kind of tool, and I press that little bit down, and now it actually clicks, and now it seems to move out. And this was hint number 2. And now we have taken this whole light away, and this light is in away, and then we can rotate this light in this way, and now this light is there in so. The next step is to open that black cover, and there are joints in there too, and there are 2 plastic nippers, what you need to press in that way, inside, and then when you lift, this should open. Same time lift and then up, and this opens. And please note these joints. And then there is the inside area, and there you can actually see two lights, rear and this high beam lights, and their idea is that next you take those wires out and you move this little bit and that way and pull in this direction, and then this opens, and same thing in that one, little bit move and up, and it opens. Okay, and then we can change these light bulbs, and there is second hint. There is idea that, let's look that one, that you can move these in that way or in that way, and the idea is that you go in that area and you move that little bit, and then this opens, and then you take your fingers and you can install new bulb in back. And then remember, don't touch this lamp in here, because if you touch it, then this lamp destroyed very fast. It will be end within couple of weeks or months. And then when you install this back in carefully, and then there is this idea that you only move that little bit in there, and now it is in there. And same thing in that, you move that little bit in here, and then you open, and here is this light, and it is actually different, and this was okay, and then again back in here, and this is fine. And then we have next bulbs. There are two those smaller, and you can open that in this way, and here is this bulb, and this open happens so that you little bit press in this way, and then press and rotation, and then it was so easy. And this is like, and when you install it back, it happens so, and then you rotate. Please remember rotate, and then check that this is thick then. And then this final small light. This is a little bit different. You open first this lamp in that way, and then you lift this lamp out, but then you notice that there is this lamp actually inside, and for that change you need new tool, and this tool is that kind of tool where are those long, this long nose, and then you only take in your press in here, and you press a little bit this, and then it goes out, and there is this light, and then you can only pull that out, and there is the small lamp, and then you can change that and install new pack. There is that kind of things and in there, and then when you install this in back, there is only you move and then you press it in there, and then this cover back, again it seems that there are those three. Okay, and then we continue. We have changed those bulbs, and then we need to install these wires back in that one first, and then the second one also in there. It goes in there, and then this plastic cover, and there was idea that first these joints in there and then only small press, and then you need to actually move this, that this is thickened, and then you rotate this back in here, and like is almost there, and then we need to insert this mine cable what was in here, and it goes in that part and only one way, and then you hear this click. Click is important, and then when you install this like that, there is idea that there are those holes, and you need to insert that hole in that hole in there, and in here there is this hole, and it goes in that hole. Okay, let's go to do that, and I move that light back, and now this went right. Yep, this is okay in here nicely, and then this light is also fine, and actually this went also very nice, and actually I need to little bit move that in, that it is in just in right in there, and then we take those pins, and we are lucky when these pins are similar, and I drop this pin in there, and it goes nicely, and then second pin that goes in there, and there is this pin, and I drop that, and this was a little bit more complex because you have to control that this pin really goes in these holes, and then same time you have to check that this lamp, this area, that there is this really this hole that it supports. Now you can see that there is this hole, and when I install this in here, and I press this in that way, and then we need to check that how our lights works, and then I go to turn on this ignition key, and I turn on lights, and then let's look. Okay, and this was good. Lights are working, and also this blink is working also fine. Okay, and this was all how to change this whole lamp system, and of course we need to then set up back this grill, and this grill happens so that you insert the grill in you take notice that this grill first area is this down area. You move that little bit because there are those pins, and this must be moving that way, and then you check also that this area goes nicely in there, and then you insert those plastic pins, and you rotate first one, and then the second one, and then you and then you check in your hands that this is thick. Okay, now we have made this work. Thank you.